Good habit versus bad habit. Good habits. Good. Washing hands with soap keeps us safe from germs and makes our hands nice and clean. Good. Brushing our teeth every morning and night keeps our smile bright and healthy. Good. Cleaning up our toys after playing keeps our room tidy and easy to walk in. Good. Sharing with friends makes playtime more fun for everyone. Good. Eating fruits and veggies gives us energy and keeps us strong. Good. Saying thank you shows we care and appreciate others. Good. Going to bed early helps our body rest and grow. Good. Being kind makes the world a happier place. Good. Doing homework helps us learn new things and get smarter. Good. Eating slowly helps our tummy feel good and keeps us healthy. Good. Being ready on time helps our day start smoothly. Good. Listening carefully shows respect and makes others feel heard. Good. Keeping our room clean helps us feel calm and find things easily. Good. Saying "I'm sorry" helps fix mistakes and makes friendships stronger. Good. Drinking water helps us stay active and refreshed. Good. Studying a little every day helps us remember and learn better. Good. Using kind words makes everyone feel happy. Good. Helping our parents shows love and makes home a wonderful place. Good. Animals feel safe and happy when we treat them gently. Good. Keeping our hands to ourselves keeps everyone safe and happy. Bad habits. Bad. When we forget to brush, our teeth get dirty and sad. Let's not skip brushing. Bad. But not washing our hands can spread dirt and germs everywhere. That's not good. Bad. When we leave toys everywhere, someone might trip or get hurt. Let's clean up. Bad. But grabbing and not sharing makes others feel sad. Let's be kind sharers. Bad. Eating too many candies can make us feel sick and tired. Healthy food is best. Bad. When we take things without thanking, it feels rude. Let's always say, "Thank you." Bad. Staying up too late makes us tired and grumpy the next day. Bad. But teasing or being mean hurts people's feelings. Let's choose kindness. Bad. If we avoid homework, learning becomes harder. Let's try our best. Bad. Eating too fast can make us choke or get a tummy ache. But when we're late, we rush and forget things. Let's be on time. Interrupting or shouting makes talking difficult and hurts feelings. A messy room is hard to play in and can be unsafe. Too much soda can hurt our teeth and make us feel tired. Not apologizing can make problems even bigger. But refusing to help makes chores harder for everyone. Being rough to animal can scare them and make them sad. Let's be gentle. Pushing or hitting is never okay. Let's use our hands for kindness.
Hey there, friends, come along with me. It's time to learn and have fun. You'll see. We'll play, explore, and laugh out loud. Bright explorers make us proud. Bright explorers, let's go far. Shining bright like a shooting star. Learning grows.